Yo, Mass here for Massive AV, MASSIVEAV.ca. Say it three times fast. Anyway, second video. This second video is to let you guys know that I got some good news on my website as of today, massiveav.ca. Almost rhymed. You can order, guess what? Featured products. My featured products, I'm going to keep saying it. The featured products on my site are the products that I use or have used. So as of today, three awesome things. Save 70% off dent and scratch laptops, monitors, and all that stuff. Awesome. 2, Parallels. You know what Parallels is? Parallels. Run your Windows on a Mac. Sorry, the flag outside is distracting me. I'm like a dog. Anyway, the third one is not AV. I'm trying to be open to stuff, not always just AV or technology. Well, I guess it does fall in technology. Dr. Ho, man. Dr. Ho. That's right. On my website. Buy it on my website, massiveav.ca. Dr. Ho. I've used all the pads. I own and use the Neck Pro. So the Neck Pro works. The pads work. It all works. But, how do I put this? So I was in a car accident, I don't know, a year and a half ago, something like that. I got rear-ended. And my neck and shoulders, I didn't want to talk about it. So I am seeing a chiropractor. I haven't stopped seeing a chiropractor. I've been seeing the side chiropractor since the day, like 2 days after it actually happened. So I'm still going there once a week. They want cash. But with the Dr. Ho, I don't have to go as often. But it works, man. So if you guys ever want to try Dr. Ho, I'm not being paid to say any of this. They're not giving me cash. They're not doing anything. I'm not an actor. So if you guys wanted to try it, I really think you should, because it does work. It really does work. If you're like my brother, where you want to use one thing one time and you want to be cured, then I want to slap you. You got to use it every day. If you're in pain, put it on. If you're in pain, put it on. If you're in pain, put it on. Not that you put it on for 15 minutes the first time you buy it and then it didn't cure your cancer. And then everything's a shit show. Use it. Anyways, those three things, you got to check it out. Parallels, yes, you can. Dr. Ho now, and these scratching dinks, man. You save a lot over there. You guys should check it out. You do save a lot. Anyways, we'll see you soon. This remote sucks. This is a garbage remote.